Good morning, ladies and gents. Today's the day. So guys, here we go. Let's get right into today's video. Look, these videos are very important because you get to learn something new. The live trading sessions that I show you here are not the same live trading sessions we used to have back in the day when you used to watch this channel for day trading. This new strategy I'm introducing is simple, headache-free. You use it in this market, 2025 especially. Look, you've placed your bets on the stock market long term. You've placed your bets on the crypto market. Now you got to stay busy. The only way that I know that you can stay busy is through day trading. Or if you have a hobby, that's even better. But day trading, you can make some, enjoy this volatility that's coming your way, especially with the new president and new policies and headlines. You can enjoy this volatility and make a lot of dough from it while waiting for your big swings to come to life. So with that being said, let's get right into it. You're going to enjoy this. Smash that like button because you're going to learn a lot of stuff, guys. And I'm going to drop these videos once a week and hopefully they help you. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So guys, step one is to find a stock that has volatility day in, day out. You're in 2025, so there's no shortage of volatility, especially now you've got a new president in and the markets are loving it. So volatility is due. We know what comes with Trump, a lot of headlines. So what you want to do, guys, is pick one of these stocks. Find yourself 5 to 6 stocks and put them on a watch list. Stocks that are in hot industries. So we're focused on Mara, Coin, MSTR, this is Bitcoin. And then you've got Palantir, AI, Tesla potentially as well. They have kind of volatility. So the treasury yield, on the other hand, guys, is over here. And if that goes down, the markets will go up. And it's due to go down further because it's a kind of hanging up there because of the Federal Reserve's comments in 2024 that they're not going to cut interest, but they will, right? And they have to because they're going to move with the economy. If the economy is hot, the markets will be hot. If the interest rates end up coming down, well, the markets turn hot as well. So you're getting to, whichever way you skin it, you're going to be winning. Whether it's through the volatility or whether it's through the swing trades. So with that being said, let's get right into it and let's trade using the strategy I'm going to introduce to you, but I'm going to focus on one of these 3 stocks because that's where the volatility is. Over time, every year, you'll have new stocks, a new batch of stocks to focus on. So that's step 1. It's to find the stocks to trade, and I just gave it to you. So let's get right into it. So guys, let's get right into it. It's now 9:35 US time, and you can see the market just opened. This is our current candle. It's not a pretty one at the moment. And if you remember the last video, what I said, there's 2 kinds of patterns. There's the V-shaped pattern, and then there's this pattern that goes like this: open green, dip, and gap up. So it's only 2 patterns you have to know in 2025. What does this look like? Market open red. This looks like a V-shaped pattern, which means it's down, it's going to have to recover. Why are we saying that it's going to recover? Because the trend is upwards, right? So it has to recover. If it touches the trend and bounces back, cool, no problem. So we can do a trend line here and just do this. By the way, I'm using the daily chart right now. And you put the line nice at the wick and you can see the red candle now is right on the trend line. So I'm going to open a buy position. I'm going to go with MicroStrategy, guys, instead of Marathon Digital. And I might do both of them just to showcase. This is a funded program at the end of the day, guys. It's $360,000 US. So I'm not actually, this is not my money, but I just have higher buying power. And I'll explain to you how you can get access to this as well because you can only get it via invites. So yeah, I'm going to delete the trend line. Here's my P&L, $200. I opened 200 shares. And I could go ahead and I do Marathon Digital as well and open both of them. Because they're both the same, right? They're both the kind of the same setup you can see. So I'm going to open 5,000 or 4,000 shares here. Maybe 2,000. I remember last time it wouldn't let us. Okay, so that's 2,000 shares of Marathon Digital open. Okay, and you'll see my position in a minute. My total position is what I'm holding. Let me pause this and I'll show you. So guys, this here is what I'm using. This funder program in collaboration with Zeb Monopoly. You can see here. You cannot get it just by visiting the website. You actually have to go through me or another educator on the internet that has a partnership with them. They have a team in Dubai. And I think I've shared with you guys the office that I've been in. And I'll be in as well next week. Look, that's what I'm using. So I'm not really attached to the money here, but I do have to make money and grow this account to get my payouts every month. This is not one of your trading accounts that you kind of do tests for and, phases. No, this is pay for this and you get it, right? But you'll hear more about it because you do have to go through a Zoom call to even inquire about this. So it's not for everybody. Look, order is in 2,000 shares and my P&L as it stands is minus $500. I want to explain to you why I entered those, but like I said, I do want to share with you my positions. So let's just zoom it out like this. Mara and MSTR. We've got MSTR up $16 and Mara down $560. Now they're both down, unfortunately. But again, guys, we know the pattern. We know it's a V shape, okay? And the reason why you get V shapes is because, number one, if a stock is kind of trending upwards, it needs to create space for day traders by dipping, and then a new wave of buyers will come in to buy it. Okay, so that's why you get V shapes, especially when the market trend is just upwards. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause this and explain to you further why I opened this position. So this is MicroStrategy, MSTR, and this is Marathon Digital. Both, you can see, have the same pattern. So what do they have in common? They were both on an uptrend, okay? And now it dipped below the trend, but now the recovery's coming, okay? And like I said, because it's an uptrend, the market needs some level of support before it reverses back up. Similarly, you had the same play with Marathon over 5 days. You also had some steady uptrend and a dip. And now you'll get a reversal like this. Okay, so you just have to be careful here with how you play this. Again, still in the minus. So all I can do now is sit and wait. Zed, am I using a stop loss? No, I'm not using stop losses, guys. You have to just be confident in it. I guess be selective of how you trade. If you just focus on one pattern, guys. This is the safest pattern, is a dip followed by reversal. Okay, you show up 1 hour after market open, okay? Wait for all the sellers to do their thing, and then you just buy a stock that is beat down just because, just for no reason. And then it reverses. You take 1 or 2% and you walk away. It's the safest option, especially for you guys who are trading with this kind of program, funded program, or even your own money, right? You don't want to, like I said, it's called intraday trade, but focus on an industry that has volatility. So you can see we're reversing now, right? I'm going to pause this and I'll show you before I close because I don't want this video to drag on. So I'll see you guys when it's time to close this position in profit. You can just remember my entries here, my fill price and my size. And this is the P&L. So here we go. We're now back in the P&L. 2,000 shares on Mara is now $520. And then MSTR, 200 shares is up $400, almost $1,000. Now, you have to set yourself targets, guys. Look, you just have to be consistent. If, like, for example, with this funded program, if I achieve $1,500 a month and anything above, I can request my payout and I request to get paid. So if I hit this $1,000, I just have to maintain it, right, to get paid out. But we're not here for that. We're here for 5,000 to 10,000 returns. But consistency is important, guys, especially if you're using other people's capital. But if you're using your capital, you also need consistency in your life. Otherwise, what are you doing? So don't think of this like, oh, day trading, I have to do this every single day. Because you don't. You don't have to be here every single day to trade. Only when the opportunity shows itself. And like I said, if you really want consistency, just focus on what pattern. Let's say the V shape. This is a bull market, right? So if the trend is upward, every dip is going to have some kind of a reversal. Now, sure, you will have to change eventually when things turn around, of course, and the pattern becomes like this, down. Every recovery will have a dip. And then you just, instead of buying, you start shorting, okay? So, guys, I'm going to leave this here. I should have taken $1,000 there, but there's more to go. I just have to be patient and wait extra long. This is also a trade that I'm swing trading with my own money, right? So I'm comfortable holding these throughout the day. So that's it, guys. Appreciate you for watching. I'll close when the time is ready to close. But yeah, I should have closed it. We're back now to $100 from 1,000, but that's okay because the stocks I pick are volatile stocks. So, guys, just want to showcase this for you. I'll see you next time. Appreciate you for watching. Peace and love as always. And here's a lesson before this video ended. Take your profit when you see it. Take your profit when you see it. Otherwise, you'll just have to wait extra longer and maybe it happens or not. But keep an eye on the trade. Maybe it does play out by the end of it. On your own time, of course. Smash that like button, guys, and I'll see you next time as always. Peace.